Meet Yessie. She is frustrated right now with the amount of work she has on her plate. One reason being that she cannot say no to anyone. She being Yessie. She dreams of having some free time, some me time, to be able to do the things she likes in peace. But she only gets nightmares of the pile of work getting bigger and her boss shortening the deadlines. Will this continue to be her reality, or will someone or something save her from this rut? The solution is always around you. A checklist is what will save Yessie and you if you find yourself in the same situation as hers. A checklist is not merely listing all that you have to do. You must also prioritize based on what needs to be done first. Schedule time exclusively to complete it, and most importantly, say no to the extra work when you do not have the capacity. Let's see how this helped Yessie. Yessie started spending 10 minutes at the beginning of her day to create her checklist. She has a 7-hour working window. In that time, what are the key tasks she must work on today? And then she allocates time for each task based on priority. Now Yessie knows exactly what needs to be done today. So, when her boss asks her if she can do some ad hoc tasks, she tells him or asks him, "What should I deprioritize to make room for this task?" Clearly, the boss gets the message. With the checklist helping Yessie become more organized and transparent, she gets more time to live her dream, which is to find peace and have some fun. This is what we call a great work-life balance. Hi, I am Yessie. A checklist helped me get my life back. It can help you too. Start by creating your daily checklist, prioritize tasks, and schedule time accordingly. Try it for 2 weeks and let us know if it made a difference. Wish you luck.